Let's make a curl cream using two great Ayurvedic oils, Amla and Bringraj, to help strengthen curls and to promote curl retention and shine.
Natural hair beauty is possible if you take care of your hair and make the most of what nature has given you.
Okay, let's start out with the oils first this time. Shea oil is the liquid version of shea butter. It remains mostly liquid at room temperature. It's much easier to use than regular shea butter. I haven't had to worry about shea oil causing graininess in any formulas, no matter the temperature. Regular shea butter usually has to be heated and then cooled quickly to stop any graininess from forming.
But whatever the creative concept, quality has always been a prime consideration.
Bringraj oil is an Ayurvedic staple in hair care. It's said to help promote a healthy scalp over time. Now, some claims suggest that it can promote hair growth by keeping the scalp and hair supple, thus preventing breakage. But, I mean, you'll have to be the judge of those claims. Now, I like this oil because it helps soften my hair and helps keep my scalp from feeling dry without adding a harsh, greasy feeling. It's there, but it's not there, if you know what I mean. Amla oil is said to help promote hair growth by strengthening hair and fighting dryness. There are a lot of claims about amla. It's thought to help fight against itching and is said to help prevent scalp infections. It's also said to help with dullness by making the hair shiny. I actually prefer incorporating amla oil into formulas rather than trying to strain the amla powder. Try to use the oil if you can, and make sure it's not blended with cheaper oils. Oil of oregano is said to have antioxidant and antibacterial properties. By itself, 100% oil of oregano is extremely strong and may cause irritation. This version is a 25% dilution of the oil in olive oil. Cepi Plus 400 is a cold process emulsifier that allows for the creation of Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. Okay, the final product is a thick, rich, smooth, substantial cream. You'll definitely feel like you're applying the product to your hair, right? It won't just immediately disappear. This helps enhance my curls and offers a mild hold that's not stiff or crunchy, at least from my experience. Sometimes the quote light creams don't last long on my wiry 4B curls, so I wanted something that grabs and helps protect my curls.
Your hair should be washed once every 2 weeks, or more often if necessary, with water and a mild soap.
Now, I hope you guys enjoy this rich cream. If you're looking for another hair care formula that uses the Bringraj and Amla combo, check out the video link that will appear on the screen if you're watching this at YouTube. Shout out to the patrons at Patreon, and of course, these site subscribers. Y'all are incredible. Remember to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other important information. I'll talk to you guys soon.